A new Pet Pro laundry pair has arrived at Village Home Stores. Maytag now offers front-load laundry that can help you conquer pet hair like a pro. Stella here is our staff social media influencer, and she's ready to give you her review of the new Maytag 720 Pets pair. Let's begin with the Pet Pro options on the machines. Selecting the Pet Pro option on the washer adds more water and a deep rinse cycle that lifts and removes pet hair from your items. A Pet Pro filter is built right into one of the washer baffles, and it traps and lifts pet hair into the filter. It can be emptied after each load. The filter can be removed and locked back into place easily. And when you purchase them as a pair, these front load units can truly get to work for you. Selecting the Pet Pro option on the dryer tags in another turn to lift and capture remaining pet or human hair in the lint trap. This works by extending the dry time cycle with a reduced heat. The added heatless dry time protects your clothing from shrinking while lifting as much hair off as possible. The washer has the power to handle small or large loads. That means no matter what you put in it, the washer will match the right amount of water and attention to it. Auto sensing in the washer adjusts the level of water used based on the load it senses in the drum. Plus, the pair comes with Maytag's popular extra power option. That adds a pre-wash and an extra amount of agitation. This boosts stain fighting on your wash cycle. Selecting extra power on the dryer means you get an added 10 minutes of dry time on any cycle. So favorite hoodies or denim jeans come out completely dry, even in the pockets. Another great feature is the fresh hold option. When you select the fresh hold option on the washer, it keeps finished loads smelling fresh for up to 16 hours. Your finished load is tumbled in the drum periodically, and a fan kicks on at times to keep it from sitting damp and still for too long. Perfect for busy days or overnight loads that won't get moved to the dryer right away. Need a few things clean, like now? Toss them in and select the quick wash cycle. The quick wash and quick dry cycles on these units are designed to tackle small loads quickly and efficiently for you. A great option for sports uniforms or last-minute loads. Oh yeah, this is also a connected appliance pair. So you have the option to use the Maytag app to manage laundry and even access specialty cycles not shown on the controls. Cycles like activewear, sleeping bags, and swimwear. You can also save your most used cycle combinations as custom cycles to make laundry tasks easier to tackle and delegate in your household. Now, Stella would never dare to have an accident or stain anything, of course, but just in case, there is an internal water temperature heater and steam options to help fight stains if needed. The Pet Pro dryer uses advanced moisture sensing to even add a spray of water if the Pet Pro cycle is still at work and needs more time. That same spray of water can be used as a steam enhance to help prevent wrinkles and even refresh your clothing without a full new wash. Both made in Clyde, Ohio, this new Maytag pair is available in white, volcano black, and the new midnight steel color. And Village has your local low price guaranteed. Have pets in your household but looking for a top-load agitator washer instead? Good news. Top-load Pet Pro Maytags are also available at Village Home Stores. Shop both options in-store with us in downtown Geneseo or online at villagehomestores.com.